Today's video is a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks using my sticker kit, Beach Please. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to plan with me using this kit, and let me just show you what this week looks like. That is a die cut from my shop. It's called Believe. If you want to get your hands on it, go ahead and order it now because they are currently on sale. So the newer die cut packs and die cut singles are all on sale. And now that we have a blank page, let's go ahead and start with our date covers or date cover-ups. For this week, I wanted to go with something blue and something summery because it is so hot right now where I'm at. It is not pretty. And now I'm going to go ahead and cover that bottom page with my bottom bar stickers for the left page. I really like how this kit is very blue. I don't often have very blue kits. It's usually purples or pinks or pastels. So this one is very refreshing to the eye. That is the bottom bar or bottom box for the right page done. Now I'm going to move on with my checklist, heart checklist bar. I'm actually very proud with how this is turning out because everything is aligning the way it's supposed to be. Now I'm moving on to the top bar. Now, this is not really designed to be at the top, but I've been using it this way for a while and I really love how it looks, and it was aligned perfectly. I'm so happy. Now, this sticker kit is very special because it's got this one design across a lot of the boxes, and I have decided to rebuild this design on my page. You can actually do that with designs that are formatted this way. I plan to come out with a lot more of my sticker kits that are gonna be able to have a giant design that you can put together on your page. I feel like this is super cute. Now I'm gonna move on to my script stickers, starting with weekend. I didn't want to cover that last heart, so I moved it a little bit. I'm gonna put my tracker down. I only tracked 3 things. That's for this week. So I like to layer a lot of my stickers on top of other stickers, just like that. Gives the page a little bit of something extra, I feel. Now I'm gonna move on to the last few decos that I have. So I put down my to-do and today. The to-dos are always on the checklist, and whatever happens for that day, anything big, I put on the today section. Now for those giant decos, they go on the other page so that it's gonna create like a border. That is it, all done. Look at how pretty this is. Very summery but very calm at the same time. There is a sister kit for this called Beach Babes. That one is a little bit on the yellow side as well. So now we're going to start writing on our page. So next week is new releases, and I cannot wait to show you our new kits. A lot of them are already done, especially for Hobonichi Cousin. I also need to design a new freebie sheet for the shop. All of the orders going out this week will have a very special freebie because they are die cut freebies. If you have an order that has not come out, then expect to have die cut freebies in your order because it's my birthday week. Now we're gonna move on to our this week section. So I just want to write down the things I need to design, and then I need to remind myself to prep the website for new releases because I need to do that quite constantly. I am trying to get better at changing all the graphics to match whatever I'm releasing that week or that month. I have a giveaway planned for the month of May, so watch out for that. And this is how I use my tracker. So here, I have IG posts, IG stories, and postings on FB groups. I am a member of 3 international Hobonichi groups: Hobonichi Techo, Weeks, and Hobonichi Cousin. So moving on to the left page, I wrote the date incorrectly and I just wrote over it. I'm sorry if you hate that. So I wrote down what kit I was planning to use next week for my Hobonichi Cousin because I want to use a lot of the newer kits as much as possible. I'm also planning some design days. So I have a few. I think all the way up to Friday are design days, just to give me enough time to work out the art for the design. But they are almost ready, or they have been sorted already. And our shipping cart from LBC will be arriving on Friday, and I wanted to mark that so that I don't forget to be around. And then also I need to make test prints because we always do that for all of our kits, regardless of what type, because I want to know what it looks like on paper, especially on the sticker paper that we are using. So Saturday is when I design the freebies. If you have any requests for the kind of freebies that you would like, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I also need to post new releases or a few days before I release so that you guys have an idea of what's in store. I also need to work out the discounts. So that is it finished. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like planner videos, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And if you really like our stuff, please buy them at paperjoyph.com. We have a sale going on, so go ahead and visit our website. And thanks again for watching. I will see you in our next video. Bye-bye!